Hello, this is Marty Eddington, and this book is titled The Microscopic World Inside and Around Us, and here's a description of the book. We live surrounded by an invisible world which affects our lives in many ways. In this book, we'll take a journey from barely visible life to cells, their structures, molecules, atoms, fundamental particles, and even smaller. We will explore not just the facts about this small world, but also try to unearth interesting facts to ponder too. For example, what did paranormal investigators believe about the structure of atoms over 100 years ago? And what particles or forces might be smaller than the standard building block particles we know about today? Also, what are the limitations of the standard model of subatomic particles? There are many things in the microscopic world which you might not expect. The journey from the small to the infinitely small starts here. Some of the table of contents includes the different microscopes in history, such as the light microscope, electron microscope, scanning probe microscopes, particle accelerators, which are really microscopes for subatomic particles. And then we get into microscopic life. Cells, plant and animal cell differences, DNA, chromosomes, telomeres, and then weird facts about viruses. Practical uses for viruses. Then molecules, different types of molecules that are important, weird molecules. And then atomic structure, the main atomic components, electron clouds, occult chemistry's view of atoms, fusion energy, then subatomic particles in the standard model, the neutrino, problems with the standard model, and is there anything smaller, which gets to the theoretical preon particle, and vacuum energy. So I think you'll find this book very interesting. You can find it on my website at Mkettingtonbooks.com. That's spelled Mkettingtonbooks.com. And you can find it in the Strange and Science Books category.